All right, overdrive housing, 46RE. I put more frictions in the overdrive pack. I put more frictions in the direct drive stack. This is how it goes together. This is not a stock item. This was made for me. I drew them what I needed to my specifications. JB's little shop. He machined this for me. This goes in the case. This is my case saver. I call it a case saver because it saves you from throwing away this case. Snap ring. Drive unit. There you go. It's together. If you can see that. See how that sleeve fits in the housing and supports that? That sleeve supports the whole bearing. And now the snap ring just locks it in place. There is a 10,000th clearance with that bearing and that aluminum sleeve. Thank you, JB. You did awesome work. No wavy. Snap ring. Seated in the case. Stepped pressure plate. Here's one. Two. Three. Four. Five. Six. I do have a 7 stack. Not in this video. Wire ring. Look close. I bent the ends up. Why did I bend the ends up? Because when you put it in here, this is not to hold pressure. This is to hold this in place. That's all it does. Holds the stack in place. I put the open end right there. If this moves around, it'll stop. Can't go anywhere. It'll stop there. Stop there. Bending those ears will prevent this from rotating and getting over to this area. That's how I assemble it.